The rapid transformation and development of cities across India reflect the strong commitment of the Government of India, ensuring that every citizen benefits from improved infrastructure and facilities. Between 2001 and 2014, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, Gujarat witnessed exceptional progress in urban development, laying the foundation for what is now widely known as the Gujarat model for the entire nation. While taking the oath as Prime Minister in 2014, he made a firm resolve for India's unparalleled development and nation building. Under this resolve, several ambitious missions were launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under his leadership for the comprehensive development of cities. Today, these missions are playing a crucial role in transforming both the condition and direction of India's cities, which had been neglected for decades. The Swachh Bharat mission, initiated by the Prime Minister, presents a historic story of success and inspiration. Today, 66,000 public toilets in 3,300 cities across the country can be found on Google Maps. Nearly 200 million people have directly or indirectly joined this mission and turned it into a mass movement, as a result of which waste management to wealth creation has become a golden opportunity in India. Owning a home is the dream and primary need of every family. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has fulfilled this dream for millions of urban families and spread smiles on their faces. This scheme has provided a safe and dignified life to beneficiaries from various sections of society, especially women, and has also made a significant contribution to the country's economy. Under the Global Housing Technology Challenge India, world-class construction technologies are being used to rapidly build lighthouse projects in 6 states. At the same time, through housing technology, research and startups are being encouraged, and new affordable construction techniques for 21st century homes are being developed in India. For the first time since independence, under the Affordable Rental Housing Complexes scheme, urban migrants, workers, and economically weaker sections are being provided housing at affordable rents. The government has empowered homebuyers through the RERA Act in the real estate sector. This has ushered in a new era in the construction sector and has promoted transparency and accountability. To protect the interests of tenants and landlords through transparent methods, the Government of India has implemented